as an architect and as a designer, I'm very visual. So I like to have a pen in my hand and scribble and doodle and make notes as I go. If I had the ability to actually make markups during the meeting in terms of what the client likes or doesn't like or design changes, when I got back to the office, that would actually save me time, because then I wouldn't necessarily have to do meeting minutes saying you've made these decisions. At the end of the meeting, we all have the electronic copy. Everyone can see what is being documented at that time, so there will be less mistakes. Sometimes I'll get back from a meeting, I work on my other 10 projects, it's a week later, I look at my scribbles, wait, what did she like, what didn't she like, and you sort of forget things as you go. If you could mark all that on site on some sort of electronic device and give it to everyone immediately, I think that would be helpful.